It's not an implementable order, beta. All it's going to do is to create a law and order situation. In the last 3 hours, we have received over 3.5 lakh emails from people in Delhi saying, "Hum to ladenge." Are we going to have fighting in this peaceful, beautiful city? So this is not implementable. See, it will cost the government over 15,000 crores to even make the shelters. Or फिर अगर कभी जगह मिले, that is if they find a place to construct the shelters, it will cost them 5 crores a week just in feeding. They will have to employ 1.5 lakh more people to look after them. फायदा क्या है? There is no infrastructure anywhere in India, beti. All the shelters are run privately. Government has never made a government shelter. एक होता था 30,000 में, वो कब का बंद कर दिया? This word 77 was actually given to the MCD by me on Friday. And what was it when we had a meeting with Mr. Kapil Mishra, the minister? We said कि आपने 77 clinics बंद क्यों किए? 20 साल से बंद हैं, खंडर बन गए हैं, and these are not shelters. These are small rooms for a one-man doctor to do medicine in that colony. You know, like you have mohalla clinics? This is a mohalla clinic, which government shut down about 20 years ago, and which we are in court saying खोलो. तो अगर आप खोलेंगे भी तो कितने कुत्ते आएंगे 77 में? एक कमरे में 3 कुत्ते, तो कितने 100 कुत्ते, 150 कुत्ते. So this is nonsense. Now they're just throwing around figures. Bete, that entire judgment was given in anger, and nothing ever given in anger makes sense or is good for anybody. I appreciate the judge being concerned about the issue, but this is not the solution to it, because this will create, as I said, law and order. Har gali mein, the vans, when they go to pick up the dogs, they will be fighting on the street. How many people will the police arrest? So what is the solution? The solution is that for the last 20 years, the government, the MCD, has been running a really bad ABC program. Or they have been doing massive relocations for the last 6 years. मेरी कॉलोनी से उठा करके आपके यहाँ डाल देंगे. अगर आप गरीब हैं तो आपके यहाँ तो जरूर डाल देंगे. So the slums are now teeming with dogs which have come from rich areas. उसके ऊपर से जो RWs हैं, they are responsible for 50% of the problem, because रात को वो illegal vans लाएंगे and they will pick up 5 dogs or 6 dogs जो उनके यहाँ आराम से पड़े हुए हैं, उनको उठा करके कहीं और फेंक देंगे. They will put them somewhere else, and when they put them somewhere else, then they will bite. After all, a dog is frightened. He doesn't know anybody. नई जगह में है. He has no food. People are hitting him. He will bite the most vulnerable. So therefore, if you've created the problem, then the solution must lie there itself. If we have told MCD again and again, we've given them a 14-point program on Friday itself to the minister, saying if you do this, if you make the ABC centers well, if you have monitoring committees, if you stop this illegal meat sale which attracts dogs, if you have isolation chambers for suspected rabies, suspected distemper, within 2 years you will have less dogs, you will have tame dogs, no bites, and you will have a harmonious solution. Now they may have implemented it because हमने Friday को ही दिया था, but this judgment came in the way. Now इससे बढ़ करके अब राजस्थान ने भी कर लिया. अब राजस्थान के districts कितने होंगे? 40 के करीबन, and 48 I think, and in that they now have to have 48 into 1,000 shelters. 48,000. क्या पूरा national budget जाएगा इस चीज में? We need to go to court and we need to appeal, because we are all on the same side. We are not. See, there are many people here who welcome this, especially RWAs, people whose children have been bitten. Yes, they have welcomed it. They must understand that we are on the same side. हम दोनों यही चाहते हैं कि कम कुत्ते हों, काटे ना, खुशी वो रहे, खुश हम रहे. You know, we are all with children, and really, a dog bite is a horrible thing. But if the dog bite is created by you yourself, by relocating dogs, then what can be done? So, which is why I just want to say this. अगर हम 3 लाख कुत्ते उठा लें और उनको पाउंड में डाल दें, चलिए कर लिया, आपने 15,000 करोड़ रुपए खर्चा किया, आपने 5 करोड़ रुपए हफ्ते में ना गरीबों को खिलाने के बजाय आपने कुत्तों को खिला दिया, आपने 1.5 लाख लोगों को नौकरी पर दे दी और तनख्वाह हम लोग चुकाएंगे। तो ये सब करने के बाद 48 घंटे के अंदर अंदर वो 3 लाख कुत्ते बाहर से आएंगे और दिल्ली भर जाएगी। बिकॉज जहां खाना है वहां जानवर है, वहां इंसान है, वहां चींटी है, और दिल्ली तो भरा हुआ है खाने के साथ। सो अंटिल you understand that, if the people think that this solution is permanent, कि 3 लाख उठा लिए and we live happily ever after, I'm happy to go with that. But वो होना नहीं है। 2 चीजें होंगी, एक तो आपके कुत्ते वापस आएंगे और उनके आने से पहले जो बंदर हैं वो सब जमीन पर उतर आएंगे। So you will have 2 problems instead of 1.